Okay, we've got this linear equation where y has a coefficient that's represented by the letter b, actually negative b. And we want to know what the value of b is that will make the slope, that's what a gradient is, equal to negative 1/2. And the idea is to try to get the equation in this form right here, where m will be the slope of that line. This b, by the way, is the y-intercept. This b is just an arbitrary constant, so those b's are different. Okay, and before we go through the steps, let's just take a look at what's happening. There's the line, and as the value of b changes, the slope changes, and we want to find the value of b, which will turn this slope into negative 1/2. Okay, now I happen to know that the answer is -6. There it is. That line has a slope of negative 1/2. So how do we determine that? So we want to isolate the variable y. I would picture taking this term right here, negative by, and transposing it to the right side of the equal sign by changing its sign. In other words, we're adding by to both sides of the equation. Then dividing every term by the coefficient of y, which is the constant b, or the letter b. And so if I divide 3x by b, I get 3x over b, or 3 over b times x, plus 10 over b equals y. You can write that this way using the symmetric property for equality, and now this is in slope-intercept form. So we want 3 over b to equal negative 1/2. And we can solve this equation by cross-multiplying, because we have one ratio equals another ratio. The product of the means equals the product of the extremes. So 3 times 2 is 6, equals negative b, or the opposite of b. Divide or multiply both sides by -1. B equals -6. Okay, so that's the value of b that if you plug in here, you'll get a slope of -1/2. There you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.